Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings and find the display and brightness option. So let's tap on it. Now let's localize the eye comfort and tap on it. And before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So just tap on the switcher and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can change the intensity of that feature just by using this switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. Of course, set it on the level which is the most comfortable for you. Under it, we've got the display effects. So we've got the color, which means that the mode will affect the screen, of course, and the colors. However, the colors will be still visible, or black and white, so we will display everything in a monochromatic way. So it's totally up to you. I prefer the color. We can also schedule that feature. Just tap on this option, tap on the switcher, and you can turn it on at custom time. So just tap on it and choose the time by swiping, and the same situation with the off time. And of course your device will apply the eye comfort mode accordingly to the scheduled time. But let me turn it off. So basically this is the whole customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, so you do not have to enter the settings every time you want to turn it on, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar and unroll it fully to find the eye comfort icon, which is right here. If you cannot find it here, no worries, you can customize the icons right there. So let's simply tap on eye comfort to activate this option and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.